In this video, we're going to see how you can connect your own Google Play developer account with AppReviewBot using a service account. Step 1. Create a service account first. Navigate to Google Cloud Console. If you haven't already created a project, go ahead and create a new one. Once inside your project, open the sidebar and navigate to IAM and Admin, then select Service Accounts. Now click on Create Service Account. Give your service account a name and keep the remaining settings as default for now. Then click Create and finish the setup. Your service account has now been created. Step 2. Create a JSON key. Now that the service account is ready, click on the three-dot menu beside the account and select Manage Keys. Inside the Keys section, click Add Key and then Create New Key. Select JSON and continue. A JSON file will now be downloaded to your system. We'll need this later while connecting the account inside AppReviewBot. Before moving ahead, make sure the Google Play Android Developer API is enabled for your project. If it's not enabled yet, simply search for Google Play Android Developer API inside the API library and click Enable. Step 3. Grant access in Google Play Console. Once your service account and JSON key are ready, copy the service account email. Now navigate to Google Play Console at play.google.com. Select your developer account and go to Users and Permissions. Click on Invite User and paste the service account email you copied earlier. Next, scroll down and click on Add App. Select the application you want to connect with AppReviewBot. A permissions window will open. Enable. View app information. Reply to reviews. Then click Apply. Now navigate to the Account Permissions tab. Again, Enable. View app information, reply to reviews, and finally click Invite User. Your service account is now successfully connected with Google Play Console. This setup allows AppReviewBot to securely fetch reviews and reply to reviews on your behalf. Step 4. Connect in AppReviewBot. Now, head over to the AppReviewBot dashboard. Open the Store Account section. Click on Link Store Account, then select Google Play Store. Choose Use Your Own Service Account. In the Upload section below, upload the JSON file we downloaded earlier. It should usually be available inside your Downloads folder. Once uploaded, search for the same app you selected inside Google Play Console. Select the app and click Link Account. And that's it. Your Google Play developer account is now connected with AppReviewBot. You can now receive reviews in real time, track customer feedback, and reply to reviews directly from our dashboard and supported integrations. AppReviewBot, helping teams manage app reviews faster, smarter, and all in one place.